Hello and welcome to my channel. I've been working on a new frequently asked questions video, volume 5, and this one addresses questions and comments regarding my ham radio pursuits. It is going to be long. I am still editing it down from 94 minutes. It will be just under an hour by the time I'm done, but there are a few little snippets, questions that I think are worthy of standing on their own, including this one. Okay, this one's kind of fun. There's no way he's married. Tell me you're single without telling me you're single. I'm still single, ladies. Whoa, save some chicks for the rest of us. The chances that he's married diminish with each additional antenna. Or, what does your wife think of car gadgets? Which is often followed up by, what wife? All right, let's see. Most of these are jokes. I get it, and some of them are even funny, but I also think that some of them are really adamant and seem to be mean-spirited. And the only reason I jumped to that conclusion is because I've seen people in person when I'm at a show and they don't know that I'm nearby, that they see me, but they don't know that I'm the car owner. And so they'll just say things, and I don't know, maybe they're trying to insult me as a nerd, maybe assuming that I am a lonely nerd. But sometimes I think their comments, especially online when they're hiding behind a keyboard, sometimes I think their comments say more about themselves, or maybe even more about their wives, than they do about me. But to answer the question, yes, I am married. I've been married for almost 33 years. And when I share these comments with my wife, other than rolling her eyes or, oh gosh, that's about all she can say. But sometimes what she'll say is, what do I care what you do to your car? And that's an easy position for her to take because she has her own car. So if she's got her own car that I'm not allowed to touch and modify, then why would she care what I do with mine? She does ride around in my car. She hates it for other reasons. It's a little loud. The exhaust note is a little loud. The seats are firm, and the ride is a little bit stiff. It's a GTI, so it's not going to be a plush, easy ride. But if she wants to go where I'm going, she does jump in the car and ride with me. I poked fun at her one day. I think somebody asked her a question, perhaps with the ulterior motive of having her say something that might be a little embarrassing for me. And she was at a loss for words. And so what I said was, and just to remind you, I don't have anything at home. What I said was, imagine all of the sounds of ham radio in the house. To which she replied, yeah, your car is good. What a keeper. Look who's here. She's real. She's a real person. I figured I'd throw this on the end here. I've shared some photographs, and it's been a while since she's been in the car with me because, well, I mean, she loves it, but, she can't always get in the car. I've already mentioned some things that you really like about the car. Go ahead and tell them what you like about the car.
It rides like a jackhammer. And the seats are very hard.
Yeah, what else? That's two of the three that I mentioned.
It's loud.
Oh yes, the sweet sound of my custom exhaust. So it's not like we're gonna, there's the other one too. We gotta address the myth without me prompting you. Tell everybody what you think about this stuff in my car.
I don't care. It's his car.
And I've removed the desk and the rotator controller and the computer stand and all those stuff. Obviously, I do have a passenger.
So I don't have to sit up top.
Yes, she doesn't have to sit up top. Let's see. So, but still, I don't think the camera's catching it. How close is the closest piece of equipment to you?
A few inches.
And does it bother you?
No.
Because your purse is right under it. Well, actually, it's not.
No.
Usually it is. Usually the purse is right there.
Right.
So no intrusion. Very lovely car to ride in. All right, I just wanted to throw this on here to hack on her a little bit and you. Gosh, any comments on the remarks that I've shared with you that they seem to say?
Y'all need to get a life.
I don't say that because I try to be nice to my viewers, but you can say what you want. So, all right, and I agree. So, all right, see you later.